Discover the best ways to beat the heat and keep your cat happy. Don't let the summer heat turn your furry friend into a grumpy grump. Is your cat a furnace in disguise? Learn how to keep your feline friend cool and comfortable during the scorching summer months with these practical tips and tricks. As summer temperatures rise, your cat may be at greater risk than you think. Cats may seem cool and calm, but just like humans, they can suffer from heat stroke, dehydration, and even life-threatening overheating. In this video, you will understand how to keep your feline friend cool, comfortable, and safe all summer long, with easy, vet-approved tips and clever tricks you can start using today. Let's beat the summer heat together. When the sun is blazing outside, your cat's safety begins indoors. Recognize the signs of overheating. Is your cat panting, acting unusually lethargic, drooling, or showing bright red gums? These are all signs your cat may be dangerously overheated. Catching these signs early can save a life. Provide shade and cool zones. Even inside, your cat needs access to cool, shaded areas, under furniture, inside closets, or cozy corners. Better yet, create a dedicated cooling nook with curtains, fans, and a soft, breathable cat bed. I hope you are learning some secrets. Another area you should look into is cooling mats or beds. Invest in a cooling mat or gel-based bed. These are designed to regulate your cat's body temperature, especially during those long afternoons when AC alone isn't enough. But even with the best indoor setup, emergencies can happen, and knowing when to act is crucial. Recognize true heat emergencies. If your cat shows extreme lethargy, vomiting, staggering, or even seizures, don't wait. This is a medical emergency. Seek immediate veterinary attention. Keep your vet's number close. Have your veterinarian's contact info saved in your phone. Call the veterinarian once you notice any strange symptoms or signs that you are not conversant with. Explain your observations and wait to get solution from your vet. Preventive protection. If your cat spends time outdoors, build or invest in an enclosed catio, a safe, shady space where your cat can get fresh air without direct sun exposure. Add fans or even frozen water bottles wrapped in towels to help regulate the space's temperature. Cat-friendly cooling treats. Summer safety isn't just about avoiding danger. It's about helping your cat feel good. And what better way than with fun, cooling treats. Homemade frozen treats. Blend cat-safe ingredients, like low-sodium chicken broth or pureed tuna, and freeze them in ice cube trays. These simple popsicles are hydrating and delicious. Chilled snacks. Swap out dry kibble for chill wet food or cold canned tuna. Not only do these keep your cat hydrated, but they're also much more appealing during a heat wave. Playful cool downs. Encourage movement with summer-friendly toys, like puzzle feeders that require pawing or nudging. The movement promotes circulation, while the focus distracts from the heat. Your cat trusts you to make their world safe, even in the hottest months. By recognizing the signs, staying prepared, and offering a few delightful cooling tricks, you can ensure your feline stays healthy and happy all summer long. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more pet care tips. Your cat will thank you, probably with a nap in their new cool spot.